Today we travel to Paracas, where the desert meets the sea. Along the way we enjoy a Peruvian horse show, play a guinea pig game, and experience zip lining for the first time. We then hike into the desert and enjoy a beautiful desert sunset on the Golden Shadow hike. Join us!
Hey guys, welcome back you fellow monkeys. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing something again a little different. We got picked up this morning by Peru Hop. Peru Hop basically is just taking us over to Paracas. I'm going to let Jose explain to you what Peru Hop is.
So Peru Hop is a bus tour company, so it's kind of a hop on, hop off type of bus. Except it's not like in your local city that we're kind of used to the hop on, hop off. This does more longer distances. It can bring you all across Peru, really, and you get to customize it how you want.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, so basically we're off to Paracas, and we're going to spend a couple of days there doing a few different little excursions, and then after that, Peru Hop, we're going to hop back on, because they call us hopsters. We're going to hop back on, and we're going to go over to Huacachina. And there we'll spend a little time there, a couple of days there, and then it's going to take us right back to Lima. That's a pretty sweet deal.
The nice thing about Peru Hop is it includes tours. You can add more tours if you want along the way. So it's really quite customizable. Yeah,
that's cool. So far, our first experiences, we're recommending it all the way. Well, my fellow subjects, welcome. We just got off the bus and for breakfast, so we've been on it for maybe an hour and a half or so, and they're bringing us to a place where we're having a wonderful breakfast, and on top of that, a little show. So there's going to be a horse dancing show, so Peruvian horse dancing, never seen that. And on top of that, after that, there's supposed to be some weird little game. They just let it out of the bag, but they didn't tell us what it was going to be. Something with the guinea pig. So, I have no clue what this could be, okay? But apparently there's a little game that we're all going to participate in involving guinea pigs. You know what? Stick around because we're all curious now. So right behind me, guys, the Peruvian horse dancing is right about to begin. All right, seems we have to do a little circle around an area. This is where the guinea pig Peruvian game or something's gonna take place. No idea what we're up for.
As you can see the cuy, okay, pueden ver al cuy. So the cuy will go in the middle, okay, va a ir en el medio. And then you have to encourage your cuy to choose your box. Okay, tienen que llamar al cuy para que elija su caja.
Is that a bilingual cuy?
His name is Ruben. Ruben. The cuy, his name is Ruben. El nombre del cuy es Ruben. You have to say Ruben, 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 okay? To call your cuy, tienes que llamar a Ruben, okay? If the cuy choose your box, you are the winner, okay? Si el cuy elige su caja, ustedes ganan. Okay? So, get ready, okay, chicos? Alístense, por favor. And he will put Ruben in the middle, okay? Va a poner a Ruben en el medio. And we have to count from 3 to 1, okay? De 3 a 1, en español, por favor. 3, 2, 1, okay? 3, 2, 1. Number 6.
So apparently the canopy that we won is a zip line. Ernie's getting strapped in. We're going from here all the way over there.
All right, I'm doing it, guys. You know I'm scared of heights.
So let's start listening.
That was crazy. Nice short little zip line. Good intro to zip lining. Not sure I'm a fan of it because you can't really film so easily and hold on. Jose is headed on up. There she goes. We're gonna go get de-harnessed.
Good job. High
That was
five.
crazy. It's a little scary getting up on that tower. It gets a little rickety at the end. But we did it. We did it.
So high, 'cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky.
All right, guys, welcome to the desert. That's right. We're in Paracas Desert. And guess what? Stupid thing we didn't do. We didn't bring a bottle of water. Who goes to the desert and doesn't bring water?
We do, we do.
Well, let's see how this turns out.
It's a short hike.
Yeah, only 3 hours. It better not be a hike, just a walk. Listen, we're in the mountains. We're seeing this amazing scenery. We've come here on the tour called the Golden Shadow.
Yeah.
Now, why is it called the Golden Shadow? Because apparently at one point we're going to hit a certain spot where the light plays tricks or whatever, and I guess it creates some kind of golden shadow. Let's see if we can see that phenomenon.
Yeah, unfortunately, I had a collection of everywhere I went. I had shells. This would be a nice addition to the shells, but I don't have that anymore.
Can't bring it.
When you lay down in an open field.
Push! Push!
Real. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue?
Wow, the landscape here is astonishing. You can see we're really, really high up now. But check this out. Up here on the hill, that's salt. Which means at one time, the sea was this high up, that deep. That's crazy.
Put 'em in the sky, yeah, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans to make everybody dance, 'cause we can. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind, we be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind. In a summer state of mind. Oh, oh, oh.
Wow. Totally worth climbing uphill for this, guys. Check that out.
Stunning.
Man, you know what? We're going to some of the best places here. That is wonderful.
Do you like it better when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better?
Juicy, juicy, juicy.
I got the world.
State of mind. We be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind. In a summer state of mind. Oh.
So guys, this is going to end our tour of the Golden Shadow. I'm not quite sure about the Golden Shadow part. I didn't see anything, so you guys surely didn't see anything on screen, but we saw some amazing landscapes.
Gorgeous.
So, guys, go ahead, like and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Catch us in our next adventure. Ciao.
Bye.